could have my Gucci.
Today's video is a live vlog capturing my workshop and networking event with the wonderful BDA on Monday. As you can tell, I woke up buzzing and super excited for the day. It was hosted in the most gorgeous, festive venue in Cambridge, University Arms Hotel, with the event being a 3-course dinner, workshop on thriving using positive psychology as well as networking. To kick things off, after a yummy dinner, we played gratitude ping pong. The idea is to go back and fro, sharing small and big moments of gratitude and wins from the last week. And the science behind this is that practicing gratitude can really help boost positive emotions, which underpin thriving states. And then after exploring emotional intelligence using mindfulness, we had an aromatherapy meditation session. I passed these gorgeous essential oils around the room and we sat down, closed our eyes, and for the next 2 minutes anchored to the breath using the aroma. This is a great micro practice you can do in between patients on a busy day, helping you buffer against stresses as well as encouraging a burst of positive emotions such as self-compassion. Sorry, no actual footage of us meditating, but needless to say, aromatherapy can really help with the meditation process, especially if you're new to this. And then we explored building an optimistic mindset with our next breakout activity using Lego. Dentists worked in pairs to build a Lego flower and delve into the best possible self-activity. This positive psychology intervention explores techniques such as visualization to manifest optimism, intrinsic motivation, and boost our well-being. So much joy that comes from Lego playtime. We wrapped up with my final breakout exploring life crafting using our strengths and values. Dentists picked their top strengths and values using the strengths cards and use these to create goals in different domains such as career, relationships, health and leisure. Using our values and strengths in this way helps to design our goals to increase intrinsic motivation, success, as well as boosting our well-being. I really feel that these face-to-face events are like gold dust, and so massive thank you to Chloe Richardson and the wonderful BDA Cambridge team that brought this awesome event to life, as well as the amazing dentists who joined.